Dirty air conditioner coils and clogged filters force systems to work harder, which raises energy costs and wears equipment faster. Regularly cleaning or replacing filters and cleaning coils can reduce energy use by improving airflow and heat transfer. Start by turning the unit off at the thermostat and breaker so you can work safely. For filters, remove them and inspect for dirt and damage. Then either replace disposable filters with the correct size and MERV level for your system, or wash reusable filters with warm water and mild detergent. Let them dry completely before reinstalling. For evaporator and condenser coils, use a foaming non-acid coil cleaner labeled safe for residential systems. Spray evenly across the fins and allow the foam to dissolve grime for the time the product specifies. Then rinse with low-pressure water from the opposite side of airflow to avoid bending fins. Straighten bent fins gently with a fin comb to restore airflow, and check for any oil or refrigerant stains that indicate leaks requiring a professional. Schedule these tasks seasonally, ideally in spring before heavy cooling demand and again in fall for heat pump systems, and keep a simple log of dates and what you did so you can track performance changes. 3 common issues are incomplete cleaning that leaves residue and reduces benefit, which you avoid by following product dwell times and rinsing from the opposite side of airflow. Damaged fins or filters that cut airflow, fixed by replacing torn filters and using a fin comb to straighten fins rather than forcing them. And ignoring refrigerant or oil stains because those signal leaks, in which case you stop the unit and call a licensed technician rather than attempting refrigerant repairs yourself. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and read peer experiences related to maintenance topics like coil and filter care. We also help contractors connect with homeowners and participate in our active discussion community so users and professionals can exchange tips and ask questions.